In my previous video, I show you different sites you can actually earn from. Some of you requested I make a tutorial video on how you can actually create a Payoneer account, in which is exactly what we are going to be doing today. If you are coming across a particular channel for the very first time, welcome to Financial Also TV. What we do is talk on how you can actually earn real money online and business ideas. If that's of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's dive in into today's video. So the first step is to go to your Chrome browser and type in Payoneer account. Click on the very first link and it's going to take you to this particular page. This is exactly how the page looks like. All in one financial platform for borderless business and global payments. Scroll down to learn more about this particular platform. It is a legit platform. I've been using it for a while now, and also make your own research. You get my point. Just scroll down to learn more about it. It actually works in most countries. It allows you to receive dollar payments and also allows you to convert your payments into your local currency as well. Now, once you're done checking the platform, click on sign up button to start with your registration. So once you click on sign up button, you are going to be given two options, which you are going to be picking option 1, which says get paid and also send payments. Click on the first one, not the second option. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the next step of your registration. So the next step is to input your email address. Make sure that you input a working email address because the code will be sent to that particular mail. Input your mail and click on next. So once you click on next, they will send you a particular code to that same Gmail. Go to your Gmail and copy the code and paste it in the section where you're requested to paste the code and click on next. So you're going to be asked the next question: is your business registered with any government or tax authority? You choose no, my business isn't registered. Because if you choose yes, you're going to provide some other documents, so choose no, and it's going to prompt out to input your name, or your first name and your last name, that is your surname and your first name. So you click on next when you're done inputting. Select your country. If your country is not Nigeria, just click on the arrow facing down to select your country, then input your phone number. I suggest you just send by WhatsApp if the phone number is registered with WhatsApp, or if you want SMS, you click on send by SMS. I click on WhatsApp, so they sent me a message through WhatsApp. Copy the code and paste it in the box where you're expected to paste the code and click on next. So the next thing is to create your password. Make sure your password is strong enough. It contains alphabets and letters. For example, Ayomide at 1234 or Ayomide at 111, something like that. Then you click on the box if you want to get a notification about like updates from Payoneer. Click on the box. It's not actually compulsory, but I prefer you take it and click on register. Then once you're done, you move to the next stage of verifying your account and also giving more details about your business. You'll be asked to choose which industry or trade best describe your business. So you can choose content creator. You get my point. Since there's no writing there, you can choose content creator. And if you want to create an account for something else, you can actually scroll down to choose whatever it is that is in line with your type of business. The next question is, where will your payments come from? So if you're working for someone, you pick business clients or employers. If it's a marketplace, you take marketplace. You get. Now, around how many transactions do you usually make every month? You can choose 0 to 20. So you click on next. The next question is, and what is the monthly total of those transactions in US dollar? Just take something that is aligned with the amount of money you're going to be making. You get. Now let's move to the next step. So the next step is to input your URL link, like your business online store link. So if you don't have any business online store link, you can input your Facebook account URL, your TikTok account URL, LinkedIn. So for me, I'm just going to input my YouTube account URL. You get my point. So if you have any store like Gumroad, Seller, anything, just input the link and move on with your registration. So the next question is, where does the majority of your business activity take place? So I'm just going to choose Europe. It depends on where you get customer mostly, so you might not choose Europe if your own is not from that part of the world. You get. Just choose any place that align with your business and click on next to continue with your registration. So this is the last step of your registration. You're going to verify your ID with a selfie and also a picture of your ID. It could be like international passports, what's it called? It could be your voter's card. You verify your identity with your ID, any form of ID that you have, a government issued ID, and that is it. And make sure that you have it live with you. You have the hard copy because you are going to be capturing it live. I don't have the ID card with me presently where I am. That's why I couldn't like verify it. I'm going to be verifying it later. So if you don't complete your registration and you want to like log in into your accounts, you can log in into your accounts, but it's still going to take you back to where you stop. So to get access to your receiving account details, log in into your Payoneer account and click on the three icon dash icon at the top corner. Click on get paid, click on receiving account. So you are going to input the currency you want to receive, maybe US dollar, and then the location you want to receive money from. You get my points. You can create different accounts for different currency. So I already input the information US dollar and then the location of receiving payments. So that is why it is showing pending. So I do not want to create another account. So just follow the instruction you get. Now you're going to follow the other instruction. So you click on the account that is pending because you need to verify your details. They need to verify you before they create a US account for you. And then the first what's it called, the document you're going to be submitting is your proof of address and also your business details questionnaire, maybe information about your business, and also a valid identity verification. So those are the things that you're going to submit. Once they are done verifying your account, they are going to create, so you're going to have access to your account details and your routing number. So that is how you are going to create a Payoneer account and also get access to your receiving account details. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section. So I've also made a tutorial now you can actually create a gig pay account. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to it. Alright guys, I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Bye, see you in my next video and do take care of yourself.